guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Valentina, in case you don't know me. Today I'm going to show you how to do 3 different hairstyles in short hair that you can use for something a little bit more elegant, but they are still very effortless at the same time. I hope you enjoyed this video and please leave me down in the comments which one is your favorite. So for the first hairstyle, you need one hair elastic, ideally that is the same color of your hair, something that blends in. One of these little hair elastic thingies, same, it can be clear or the same color of your hair. In this case, I have a black one, and some bobby pins. The amount of bobby pins that you need is going to depend on your hair, and if you want, you can use a little bit of hairspray. I'm not going to use hairspray right now because I'm going to do more than one hairstyle. First, you want to divide the front parts of your hair, and we're only going to work with the back section for now. You can clip the front pieces away for a second, that way it's easier for you to work. You want to start doing a low ponytail with that middle section, and you want to do it as low as you can. Tight it a little bit, that way you have as long hair as you can in that ponytail. Now we're going to tie the ends of the hair with the small hair elastic. This is going to let us pin everything more easily. Take the hair by that second hair elastic, flip it upwards, and bobby pin in place. You want to use the bobby pins without opening them, that way they just take as much hair as they can handle, because if you open them with your fingers, they're going to have too much hair and it's not going to hold in place. Put as many bobby pins as you need until it feels secure, and don't worry if you have some hairs falling down. I'm going to show you how to hide those later. You can let go the front pieces now and start twisting one of the sides away from your face and put it on top of that little bun that we create. I like to pull out some hairs in the front to frame my face, but that's definitely optional, but it gives the hairstyle a more effortless and romantic look. Now you just want to pin the twist. Make sure to use the bobby pins across the twist. That way you don't have to use as many, but make sure that you use as many as you can and try to make sure that no bobby pin is showing. Start pulling out some hairs from the twist to make it a little bit more messy, but don't pull too hard because we have short hair and it may fall apart. If after pulling the hair you feel that you need to put more bobby pins, go ahead and do so. And now you just have to repeat in the other side. Same thing as you did, always twist away from your face, and this time put the twist on top of the other. You may need to use more bobby pins in this one to make sure it's secure because it's not against your head, but don't worry, just use as many bobby pins as you need. Make sure that no bobby pin is showing, and to hide those hairs that are falling down, just grab them all with a bobby pin, twist them around and hide them underneath. And that's it. Okay, so for this next hairstyle, I had to ask for a little help. Don't worry, it is very easy. You need to start by dividing the back of your hair, kind of in a triangle. I know it's going to be easier for you to see than to hear me. And start creating a Dutch braid from the nape of your head to your crown. Just don't try to make it perfect. You can even add a little bit of product to make the hair easy to work with, but you can do it on dry hair. I actually love the way it looked in the end. I thought it was very messy, but I love that it doesn't really look like a braid or like a knot. It just gives something very interesting to the hairstyle, and I think this is one of my favorite hairstyles. If you feel there's a hair that is going to fall down, then go ahead and bobby pin it. Just make sure that no bobby pin is showing or that you use bobby pins that blend with your hair. And when you finish your braid, just go on and braid a little bit more just to make sure that there is extra hair braided. And when you put the hair tie, it's not going to fall apart. And you can sit again to finish the hairstyle. Create a ponytail with the rest of your hair, including the braid, then twist the ends and wrap it around to hide the elastic. Pin with as many bobby pins as you need. Take out a little bit of hair in the front to frame your face and make the look a little bit more effortless. And that's it for this hairstyle. If you want, you can pull the hair a little bit from the roots if you want to hide some of these like blank spaces. And if you need to put some bobby pins in the braid to make sure that nothing is going to fall apart. Okay, so for this last hairstyle, you do need a little bit of hairspray. I'm going to use this one over here, but you can use any kind of hairspray that you have at home. Ideally, that is a spray and not the wet ones though. This one is so easy. You only need to do a ponytail. I like to do mine in the middle of the head, a little bit high but not in the crown. Tie it with the hair elastic, but don't go all the way through in the last pass to leave that little hoop there. Just grab the ends, wrap them around the elastic, try to hide it as much as you can, and make sure that you use a hair elastic that blends with your hair. That's going to make your life so much easier, because if it shows a little bit, if your ends are not long enough, it's going to be fine because no one's going to be able to see it. And just pin those ends with as many bobby pins as you need to make sure that it's very secure. I like to pull down all the little hairs from the back that are going to fall down because they're too short for the ponytail. Just grab them all, twist them around and hide them in the middle of your head with a bobby pin. Again, make sure that the bobby pin blends in with your hair. As always, I like to pull out a little bit of hair around my face to make it more effortless and more messy. And here's where you're going to use the hairspray. You're going to start brushing your hair with your hands backwards all of your fringe and start spraying. Don't spray too close because you don't want to wet your hair. And leave your hands in place until it's a little bit dry, and simply repeat this process until your hair is so in place that you can dance and you can do whatever you want and it's not going to fall. This is one of my go-to hairstyles when I have no idea what to do with my hair or I don't have time to style it and I need to get somewhere and look elegant. It really looks beautiful and done, and it's the easiest one of all of them. I hope you enjoyed this video, that you loved it. Please leave me a thumbs up, it helps me a lot, and leave me in the comments which one is your favorite. Bye!